Greetings from Florida. Here we're working on a Buick Lacrosse 2005 to 2009. This is the right rear. You had a cover there and a 10mm bolt. You've got a rubber cover where the door pull is. Maybe not. Maybe there wasn't anything there. A little bit of WD-40 on the two up and down channels is a good idea. It makes things a little easier. You don't have to soak it. Yeah, there was a screw there. You don't have to soak it. Just give it a light spray every 3 or 4 months. And then you've got to find a place to get in there and pull the panel out. By the way, if this is helpful for you, do me a favor, like L-I-K-E, like the video. That will help other people such as yourself find it on YouTube, and thank you. So once we get that off, there's a wiring harness that goes to the switch. There's a wiring harness. That's about it. Wiring harness goes to the switch, and then there's a cable that goes to the silver, the chrome handle. Yeah, for some reason getting the rod off of this door panel was a bit of a challenge, so I just unhooked the entire rod. Oh, on the window switch, I didn't unplug it. What I did is I just took off the entire switch. It was easier. You can just use a flathead screwdriver to pry at the two sides. It'll pop right out. And that cable has to come out. And for that, you probably need a pair of needle nose pliers right there. Needle nose pliers right there to press down on that, and you can pull it out of the door panel. This one's fairly easy, but if you have any questions, please ask them right here on YouTube. I'll try to answer them within a day. The cable came off the regulator on this, and I'm going to mangle that, so I just took the styrofoam out. Not a big deal. I will show you in a minute. I'm going to unplug the window motor. I'm going to show you in a minute how the glass goes on to the bracket. But first I got to get it off. Right there, that bracket right there clips into the glass. But it might take you a minute or two to figure out how to get that bracket off the glass. So what I'm doing here is I'm breaking off the tabs from the bracket. I'm going to just separate it from the rail, from the regulator, and then take the regulator out and then get the bracket off the glass. I have a suction cup, hold the window up. So we get 10mm there, 10mm there, and one on the bottom, 10mm right there. Regulator comes out quite easily. Now I've got to get that bracket off the glass. There's the bracket. That's what's going to clip in. This one's really not that challenging. Put the 10 millimeters back. Let's plug in the wiring harness. And then we've got to snap the glass down onto that bracket. I'm sure you'll find a way. I'm going to start the car right now. I think I got it. Yep. Looks. Oh, maybe I didn't get it. Nope. And I'm going to lay that back in there. Really doesn't do much, but... And that's pretty much it. I think you can follow the rest of it on your own. Again, if you have any questions, just ask. And if this was a beneficial video for you, do me a favor, like the video. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great week.